Hello, my name's John Mack, and welcome to this short presentation entitled Where to Get Insurance. Today we'll be looking at some pointers to help you decide where the best place is to get your insurance. So where are you likely to first start off when you're looking for insurance? I would imagine that a lot of people will go to Google and then go to comparison sites and start searching to see what they think is the best deal for them. Many of these comparison sites will draw you to them with headlines such as "we have the best deals," "we search the whole of the market," etc., etc., etc. And whilst there's no doubt the comparison sites are great for giving you pointers as to where you should go to get your insurance, or indeed many other products or services, there are some things that you should be aware of. Basically, the comparison sites are affiliates, and by that I mean that these sites act as sales tools for other companies, and they get paid a commission when you take out, in this particular instance, insurance policies with these companies. So if you go to a comparison site and you click through to an insurance company from that site and then take out a policy, the comparison site will receive a commission. And while there's nothing wrong with that, but it means that the comparison sites will only feature companies that they're getting paid a commission from, and they only get paid if you switch. So it's in their interests to make sure that you do switch. So it's worth remembering that the particular comparison site that you are on may not have some insurers that have the best deal for you. With that in mind, you should probably search at least two sites to see if they come up with the same insurers recommended for you to switch to. Another thing to bear in mind is that when you're searching for insurance, you're searching for something that fits your personal circumstances, be it business or family or home insurance, whatever you're searching for. Everybody is unique, and everybody is looking for a particular level and type of cover. However, insurance companies will place you into a group or a bracket. Because of this, you may end up paying for insurance cover that you don't necessarily need. And that includes, like I said, whether you're a business, an individual, or family. So what can you do about this? Well, basically, you could try and get an insurance company that will tailor-make a policy for you. What happens is you'll generally find that insurance companies will base your insurance quote on your age, your postcode, your occupation, and your claim history. Now, there's not a lot you can do to change any of those things, so you're stuck with them. So the only things that you can possibly change in order to bring the insurance to a level that you want and a premium that you want is maybe deciding how much cover you actually need, how much excess you're actually willing to pay, and then search for a match for an insurance company that fits that criteria, instead of just going with an insurance company that has a off-the-shelf policy and that you have to fit in with that rather than the insurance company fit in with your requirements. Another thing to bear in mind when you're looking for insurance is the reputation of the company that you decide to go with. It's well worth doing a search for the company history, finding out about their customer service, whether it's easy to claim, are they easy to contact, are they one of these companies that keeps you holding on the telephone for an hour or more. So it's definitely worth doing a Google search. Quickest way is to just put in the company name followed by review, and then you should find lots of information on the particular company to help you decide whether they're a good company or not. You see, most people will be quick to complain when they've had bad service, and they will put reviews on the internet which will be picked up by the search engines. On the other side of this coin, if they've had a very good service, few people actually bother to put reviews on websites and other mediums saying what good service they've had. So it is worth bearing in mind that, but it should give you a good pointer as to whether a company has got a lot of complaints about it or not. So let's sum up then. To get the best insurance deal for yourself with the best premium, you want to try and find a company that has some small ways that you can tailor make the insurance, whether it's the level of cover that you pick or the insurance excess, because of which, as we've discussed earlier, the other criteria you can't really do much about. So you've got to try and find something that fits your particular circumstances. Try and use at least 2 or 3 comparison sites, and don't forget to go direct to some companies, because they may not be featured on comparison sites, but they may have a deal that's ideal for you. And lastly, but certainly not leastly, make sure you do a company search to find out the company's reputation before you make that final decision which insurance company to go with. Okay, if you'd like any more information about where to get insurance, my name's John Mack. You can email me at johnmack@wheretogetinsurance.co.uk, or you can go to my website, which is the same, wheretogetinsurance.co.uk. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.